Hey everyone, minasan konnichiwa. Welcome to our channel Bye Bhasha. This is Bhargav.
This is Shalmali. For more easy recipe videos, please do subscribe to our channel and also don't forget to hit that
Bell icon. As we posted introduction to Indian pulses video last week, we thought of using one of those pulses in today's video.
So today we are making chole, which is a traditional North Indian dish. It is made using chickpeas.
So without any further delay, let's get started.
To make chole, you first need to soak the chickpeas overnight. We have taken 1 cup chickpeas. Add enough water and keep aside for at least 8 hours. After 8 hours, this is how they look. Next, we will be making a small bundle of spices. Use a muslin or a cotton cloth. Add 1 tablespoon tea leaves, 2 red chilies, 1-inch cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 2 bay leaves, and wrap and tie the cloth into a bundle as shown to make a small pouch. Next, in a saucepan, add the soaked chickpeas, 1 liter water. Next, add the bundle of spices to this and turn on the heat. Add some salt as per taste and let this boil for around 20 to 30 minutes. We know the wait can be long, but trust us, you'll have the perfectly creamy chole ever. In the meanwhile, you can prepare for the gravy. Chop 2 medium onions. Next, roughly crush or chop 1-inch ginger and 4 cloves of garlic. Chop 2 medium tomatoes as well. Let's make the gravy now. In another saucepan, add 1 tablespoon oil. Drop in all the whole spices now. First, add 1 black cardamom, 2 red chilies, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 bay leaves, and mix lightly until they are aromatic. Next, add the crushed ginger and garlic. Mix well and be careful as the ginger and garlic may splutter. Don't saute for too long or else they may burn. Next, add the onions and mix well until they turn translucent. Once they have turned a little golden brown, add the powdered spices starting with half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, and mix well until they combine. Add salt as per taste. Next, add 2 medium chopped tomatoes and mix. We are using store-bought cut tomatoes. Cover and cook for about 5 minutes or until the tomatoes turn mushy. Once done, add half tablespoon of garam masala and mix. Add some water from the boiling chickpeas. Do not throw this water as we will be using it again after a while. Meanwhile, the chickpeas are cooked. Take out the spice bundle. To check if the chickpeas are well done, take one and crush it with your fingers. If it breaks easily, it's done. Now add the boiled chickpeas with the water in the gravy and mix well. For more spice, you can add 2 slit green chilies just like how we have. Also, for a creamier texture, mash the chickpeas lightly. And it's done. Serve with rice, rotis or naan. Enjoy!
Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you like it, please do like, share and comment on it.
We post Indian as well as international recipes on this channel, so please do watch our other videos too.
If you have any suggestions for us, you could comment below or you could DM us on Instagram.
All the links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Arigatou gozaimashita. Bye bye.